Class, welcome to Unit 3 of Learning and Technology. Congratulations on completing Unit 2. I hope you're enjoying the course. I'm certainly enjoying getting to know all of you and hearing from you in class discussions. I am working on grading your Unit 2 assignments and hope to have that back to you in the next few weeks, but certainly by Sunday of this week. So, of course, please be sure to read your announcements every week when you come into the course. And then we are in Unit 3, so you're going to want to read the introduction here. This week we're going to be talking about research. We're going to be talking about how to find and evaluate your sources and how to decide if they're credible sources or not credible sources. We are bombarded with information constantly now. And so it's really important to realize that not all information is equal, and just because it's on the internet does not mean that it's credible. So we're going to talk a lot about this week, where to find sources, where are the best places to look, where for the most part you're going to find scholarly, credible sources. And predominantly that is the library, either the online library, you can go to your local library, but a library is really it's old school, but it really is one of the best places to find scholarly sources, and you can do a lot of that searching online. We're going to talk about some open access materials and how to determine which of those are credible and which aren't. That is a relatively new resource that's available. We use a lot of those actually in the courses here at Jefferson. And so we certainly support the use of those, but again, not all of them are credible. So we're going to talk about how to determine that. And then we're going to talk about internet research, which really can be mind-blowing and a real challenge to find credible sources, because you can find so many sources on just about any topic, and anybody can post information online. So it's really difficult to try to determine what's credible and not online. To begin, you need to read all of these resources and watch these videos. They'll really give you a sense of evaluating sources and searching for sources and all of that we're going to talk about this week. So your first discussion is going to be on research tools. You're going to have to identify and describe 4 different search tools that you might use to search for a library or resource items, and describe when you want to use each method, and then choose at least 2 methods that you'll use in your research for this class. Of course, you will have to meet the participation policy for this discussion. So your first post needs to be on Wednesday of the week. You need to post on 2 other days, and you need to post 3 additional posts. And then we have a second discussion this week, and this is on evaluating sources. So the first one is really on how to find your sources. The second one is to, once you find the sources, how do you evaluate them? How do you determine if it's something that you actually want to use in your paper, or if you are at work or whatever? Does it actually support your point? Is it actually going to cause you to lose credibility with your reader if you use this source? So we're going to be talking about that this week as well. In addition, we're going to talk about the open access sources and whether or not they're scholarly and how you can use them in your research. And then we're going to be completing an assignment on credibility this week, and you're going to find 3 different websites that are relevant to your topic and write a 2-paragraph summary about each, including an overview of the website content and evaluation using the CRAAP test or credibility method, and determine whether or not the website meets the criteria. And these should be just regular websites on your topic. Just go ahead and use search engines like Google or Bing, Yahoo. These should not be journal articles that you find through the Google Scholar website or the library. So what we're really trying to do is take a look at websites, just a regular old search on the website. So if you are doing a research on knee replacement surgery and you just type in Google knee replacement surgery, you're just going to evaluate the websites that pop up for that. Okay. You're not going to do an internet search. You're not going to go to, you're not going to do a library search or Google Scholar. These are just regular old average websites that you would find from a Google search. So that is what we have going on this week in Unit 3. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate and reach out and contact.